Alright, there's my outline. My master lines outline on both sides. I left a thin ribbon all the way around that metal. It flares out in the back to match the pistol grip has a flare out. A little ribbon comes in the middle right there as well. Very, very similar. I got to even up these two little points. They're about a 32nd of an inch off. I'll do that whenever I go to checkering it. This little football point right here matches the one back here. And this little rounded end matches that little rounded end. It kind of mirrors that. So, I'm ready to figure out some way to hold this during the finishing process. I've got to sand all these extra marks, these pencil lines out. Like I marked a center line that went down through there. I'm gonna take all those, clean all those up before I start the finishing. So I got a bit of a new development. Originally this gun was supposed to have a finished wood, just no butt pad, no plate, nothing, just finish the wood. Well, because I always hold a gun for checkering, for finishing and everything with a adapter that I screw into the back, that hole is hidden by the butt pad. With no butt pad to hide the hole, I couldn't do that. So I had to make a different system. Don't think I've ever done this before, not on this. Now sometimes with a shotgun that has a through bolt that goes in from the back, there's a hole in the front where that bolt comes through, and I can punch a stick in that hole and hold on to it. But this was a unique thing, so I had to figure out some way to hold on to this thing. So I made an adapter out of a piece of steel, scrap steel, and I just notched it out, and where I could put a small bolt through the hole where the side plates, where the lock plates go on. And so that's what I ended up with. It took me about an hour and a half. They changed their mind, said they wanted a plastic pad. So now I'll get rid of this and save it for future use maybe. But I got to cut this off. I found a pad that fits it from NC Ordnance, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off and refit this same trigger pull length. I just got to cut it off. Hopefully it won't splinter it, and put some tape around it to keep that from happening, and then whack that off and fit that pad. So after the fact, I mean, it's ready to finish. The checkered outline is on there, everything. As soon as I get that pad put on, I can start the finishing process. Alright, this is round, got a curved surface, slick. This, it's hard to even hold on to. This is slick and has a curved surface. Trying to hold this right there and draw a pencil line on it is delicate. But it's about like that, because I got to cut this with a bandsaw, and now the bandsaw, because this side is round, and the bandsaw is going to be rocking and rolling. This is like a woman trying to put lipstick on in an earthquake. I can't even hold it to mark it. If I can hold it still, it would help if I had two thumbs, but that was settled long ago. Somebody asked me one time how to cut my thumb off. I said, which time?